Here's problem 11.2. Two vectors lying in the xz plane are given by the equations a equal 2i plus 3k and b equal minus I plus 2k. The value of a cross b is. To do this, we're going to use our mnemonic device, ijk, ijk. Positive over here, negative over here. If we go to the right, it's positive. If we go to the left, it'll be the next negative on the vectors. So, if we had that A cross B is equal to 2i plus 3k crossed with minus I plus 2k, we have the distributive law, so this is going to be 2i crossed with a negative I plus 2i crossed with 2k plus 3k crossed with a negative I plus 3k crossed with 2k. Any vector crossed with itself will give you 0. So I cross I will give you 0. A k cross k will give you 0. What we're left with is we have a 2 times 2 and an I cross k. If I were to try to get I cross k, I would have to go to the left on my mnemonic diagram here. I cross k this way, as I'm going to k there. So I'm going to leave me with a negative j for that. And then I have a 3 times a negative 1. And then I have k cross I. K cross I will be going to the right on this mnemonic diagram and giving me a j. So this is equal to a negative 4j plus a negative 3j, or a negative 7j. So that's our answer, a negative 7j. Here's an alternate way of doing this problem. If we use the determinants, a cross b would be equal to ijk, and then our coefficients are 2i and 3k, so I'm going to have a 2, 0, 3. And for b it's a negative I plus 2k, so I have a negative 1, 0, 2. I'm going to repeat the first two columns. So I have an I and a j here, 2, 0, negative 1, 0. Now I do the first three diagonals and add those. This is equal to then 0 plus, I'm going to have a negative 1 times 3 times j, so that's going to be a negative 3j plus 0. And then I subtract the other three diagonals, this way, this way, this way, and that will be 0 minus 0 minus 2 times j, which would be minus 4j. So this will be a negative 3j plus a negative 4j, which would be a negative 7j. That's my answer. Negative 7j. Either way I go. Two ways to do it.